Hello, welcome to SIS online classes. Myself Kader Khan. Today I will teach you class 5th science part of simple machine. Simple machine. What is simple machine? A machine is a device that makes work easier and faster. That makes work easier and faster. So it is how it will be makes easier and faster. Any works easier and faster. To be ethics, to be applied force or to be change the direction to be applied force. To be applied force. In this way, a machine makes work easier and faster. Machine is a two types. One is simple machine, another is complex machine. What is simple machines? Simple machines, a machine is a device that makes work easier and faster in easy or simple way. Is called simple machine. But compound machine is a device that makes our work easy and faster, but some compound way is called the compound machine. Now in this class 5th I will discuss about simple machines. Simple machines is a part of lever, pulley, inclined plane, wheel and axle, wedge and screw. Like a simple machine, a pair of scissors, iron rod, pair of scissors, iron rod, inclined plane, wheelbarrow, and bottle opener. Etc. Simple machines like a pair of scissors, iron rod, inclined plane, wheelbarrow and bottle opener, etc. and so on. So first of all, I will discuss about lever. What is lever? Lever is a rigid rod that can turn in a fixed point. Lever is a rigid rod that can turn in a fixed point. And the fixed point is called fulcrum. The fixed point in this lever is called fulcrum. The fixed point of the lever is called fulcrum. It is a fixed point of any lever. It helps to move any object or effort. It is fixed on any lever. That's first class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. It's denoted by capital F. It's denoted by capital F. And other things, the way that is lifted is called load. Is called load. The way that or which is lifted up is called load. Is called load. Is called load. That means a duster is on the desk or table. Catch the duster and pull out or pull in. So the duster moves forward, moves toward me. So this duster is a load and load. So loads pulls the weight which is lifted up is called load. It is denoted by capital L. It is denoted by capital L. And last thing is effort. Last thing is effort. A body is to be applied force to move things, to move direction is called effort. That means a force is to be applied is called effort. A force is to be applied is called effort. Is called effort. It is denoted by capital E. It is denoted by capital E. So first of one fulcrum, second one load, third one effort. The lever is a part of three parts of any lever: fulcrum, load, and effort. Fulcrum, load, and effort. So I hope you will understand or understood lever and many parts of that lever, that is fulcrum, load, and effort. Now I will teach you types of lever. Types of lever depends the position of fulcrum, load, and effort. Fulcrum, load, and effort. Fulcrum, load, and effort. So now it depends on position of fulcrum, load, effort, and fulcrum. Lever is three kinds. Lever is three kinds. First class lever, second class lever, third class lever. First class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. Difference: each lever is different by the position of fulcrum, load, and effort. Now I will discuss one by one of each lever, then clearly understood kinds and function of each lever, that is first class, second class and third class lever. So first I will teach you or I will discuss about first class lever. Discuss about first class lever. First class lever is first class lever. First class lever. A first class lever, fulcrum is between load and effort. Fulcrum is between load and effort. Position of the fulcrum, load and effort. So first class lever is fulcrum. In first class lever, fulcrum is between load and effort. Load and effort. Let's see fulcrum, load and effort. Fulcrum, load and effort. Okay, fulcrum, load and effort. The arrow fulcrum is a fixed point and then fulcrum and load. Fulcrum is direction upward and upthrust direction. Okay, like seesaw, hand pump, etc. Hand pump, etc. First class lever. In first class lever, fulcrum is between load and effort. Load and effort, like seesaw, hand pump, etc. Beam weighter is that. Okay, hammer, and so on. So first class lever, fulcrum between load and effort, like seesaw, hand pump, beam weighter, hammer, etc. Is that clear? Now second class lever. Now second class lever. Second class lever. In second class lever, load between fulcrum and effort. Load between fulcrum and effort. Look, let's see. Load between fulcrum and effort. Fulcrum, effort and fulcrum. Okay, fulcrum and effort. Load between fulcrum and effort. In second class lever, load is between fulcrum and effort. Looks like wheelbarrow, bottle opener, etc. Bottle opener, etc. So in second class lever, like wheelbarrow and bottle opener, etc. Okay. So second class lever. In second class lever, load between fulcrum and effort. Is that clear? Now third class lever. In third class lever, effort between load and fulcrum. In third class lever, effort between load and fulcrum. Between load and fulcrum. Between load and fulcrum. Okay. In third class lever, effort between load and fulcrum, like bat, hockey stick, etc. Hockey stick, etc. So in third class lever, bat, hockey stick, etc. Arms, human arms, and so on. So I hope you will understood kinds of lever, first class lever, second class lever, and third class lever. Now I will discuss about pulley. Pulley is a wheel grooves in its. Pulley is a small wheel with groove around its edge. Pulley is a small wheel grooves around its edge. Grooves around its edge. Looks like it is a pulley. So a rope and this one, effort and load. Okay, it is fulcrum. The point is fulcrum. So pulley has a small wheel, grooves its edge, grooves around its edge. Grooves, that means cycling process around its edge. While like draw water from well, hoist national flag, etc. How will what is the function of a pulley? When draw water from well, effort or the rope pull towards, then automatically load is lifted up from well. So pulley effort and load are what different direction or move direction or change direction. So the work is very softly, work is very smoothly and easier and faster. Understood? Like and draw water from well, hoist national flag, etc. So pulley is change the direction of to do work. Change the direction to do work. Is that clear? Next, inclined plane. Next, inclined plane. Next, inclined plane. A plane. A inclined plane has sloping surface area. Inclined plane has sloping surface area. Reduce applied force. To reduce applied force and makes work easier and faster. Like that's it. this portion sloping areas, this is a sloping areas, and reduce force to lift up anything up or down, up or down. A stone lift up from bottom to top. The inclined plane it helps less to apply less force to get from bottom to top. So inclined planes has sloping areas and sloping areas and reduce applied force. So the inclined plane is lifting areas. So nowadays a load or things are moved from top to bottom or bottom to top by the help of inclined plane. Next, wheel and axle. Wheel and axle. We are seeing about a car steering. Car steering looks like a wheel and it's attached from a rod is called axle. Wheel means it looks like a car steering and steering attached from an axle is called axle. So wheel axle is change the direction to move towards or to move forward. So wheel and axle without wheel don't work. So wheel and axle is most important to change the moving direction, to change move direction or move forward direction. Is that clear? Now the topic is wedge. What is a wedge? Looks like inclined plane, but inclined plane has one sloping surface, but wedge has both sides sloping surface to reduce applied force. That means that looks like two sloping surface, this one and this one sloping surface. Both sides are sloping surface to reduce applied force. Looks X, shovel look like X to cut wood and shovel etc. and any other. So wedge has two sides sloping surface to reduce applied force, and the word and next word easier and faster, easier and faster, like axe to cut wood and shovel, etc. Last topic is screw. Screw. Screw is a simple machine that grooves nail on it. Nail and grooves nail on it. Nail on it. To move direction or to make words easier and faster, like jack to lift up the loaded trucks, cars, buses and so on. Screw that is type of screw. That is one type of screw. Screw grooves looks like a nail and grooves on it and the makes word easier and faster, like jack. Jack means loaded truck to lift up by the help of jack, known as jack is known as screw. So screw is a groove on it, and like jack loaded truck to lift up, or loaded car, buses to lift up by the help of jack is known as screw. So the easier to make words easier. So the screw is the help of screw looks like jack. So screw. So today I discussed about simple machines, lever, pulley, inclined plane, wheel and axle, wedge and screw. I hope you will understood in this part simple machines. And read the chapter, go through, and if any doubt, comment on your comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day.